Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you Apple logo and I color it like rainbow. I take 8 felt pens, black and rainbow colors. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my painting from the bottom left corner. From this box I count up 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and paint 5 boxes up. Now 2 boxes up, 1 box, 2 boxes to the right, 2 boxes to the right, 4 boxes to the right, 2 boxes, again 2 boxes to the right, and now 2 boxes down, 1 box diagonally, 3 boxes down, 1 box diagonally, 3 boxes down, 1 box diagonally and 1 more box. Now 3 boxes to the left, again 3 boxes to the left, and one more time 3 boxes to the left. Now 1 box diagonally up, 1 box diagonally and 2 boxes up. From this box skip 1 box up and color in 3 boxes to the left, 1 box up, 1 box diagonally, 3 boxes to the right, 1 box down and 1 box diagonally. Now I should paint this apple. Firstly I take violet felt pen and color in bottom part of this picture. Now I take blue felt pen and count 2 boxes up and paint next part of the picture. Now I take sky blue felt pen, 2 boxes up, counting and painting this part. Now green felt pen and 2 boxes up, painting this part. Now yellow felt pen, 2 boxes up and coloring. Orange felt pen, also painting next part. And now I take red felt pen and coloring these boxes and these boxes. So my drawing is finished. As you see, it's very simple pixel art picture. You can color it by another way. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.